KJ. Yep, I guess this is how we're starting our day. Man, yesterday was a lot of fun. Last night was fun. I enjoyed myself a lot. But last night I had a really weird dream, and it wasn't a very fun one, so that's interesting. But I have work this morning, and I'm working 9 to 5 today and tomorrow. My dad and I are getting the Christmas tree at the end of work today, so that should be fun. I'll bring my camera with me because I said I would, doing Vlogmas. So, there you go.
Oh, now your hair's really ruined. Now it's just all gone.
I can't hold the camera steady. You're dying too. John.
We love you. Don't be yipping a boo boo. Are you crying? No. Don't be crying. Oh, you be
She's gone.
Bye, Julia.
You want your what? It's tree time. Like the sweater? I know you would. Say hi, Liz.
Hi.
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Hi.
Merry Christmas after all.
Dad. Yeah, this time next year it's going to be different. I don't really know what the story will be when I get a tree, but I want a real tree. So, tree time. It smells so good. Ah. So my camera died on me. I just charged it too. These are the trees. I didn't get to show this earlier. I'm sorry. It's not my fault when my camera died on me.
Being like
I need to get a new camera battery.
like they were like a wider.
I don't remember being that much wider. It was like this.
I like it.
You want to look at our things from last year?
Do you see this is how wide it is underneath?
I don't know what I'm capturing. Sorry.
Steven?
Yeah.
Oh no! Timber! Poor tree. Poor tree.